Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Escape from Tarkov not launching or crashing on PC. If the game won't open, crashes instantly, or stops responding, follow these solutions step by step. We'll get your game running again. Let's jump right in. Solution 1. First, open Steam. Go to your library and find Escape from Tarkov. Right-click the game and select Properties. Click on Installed Files. Then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan and repair any missing or corrupted files. Once it finishes, try launching the game again. Solution 2. If Tarkov still won't launch, try this. Right-click Escape from Tarkov, open Properties. Go to Installed Files, then click Browse Local Files. Open the Build folder. Find Escape from Tarkov.exe inside the folder. Right-click it and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab and Enable. Run this program as an administrator. Disable full screen optimizations. Click Apply and then OK. Now launch the game again. Solution 3. Open your Start menu and type Device Manager. Open it. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to install the latest driver available. Solution 4. If you have an NVIDIA GPU, this step is very important. Open the Start menu and type NVIDIA App. Open it. Then go to the Drivers tab. Click Check for updates. If a new update is available, install it. Restart your PC afterwards. Solution 5. This fixes missing system components the game needs to run. Open the link in the description of this video. Scroll down and download VC-Redist x86.exe, VC-Redist x64.exe. Go to your Downloads folder. Install VC-Redist.x64. Double-click it. Accept the terms. Press Yes. Wait for it to install. Press Close. Don't restart yet. Install VC-Redist x86. Double-click it. Accept the terms. Press Yes. Wait for installation. Now restart your PC to apply all changes. After rebooting, open Escape from Tarkov. It should launch and run normally. And that's it. You now know 5 proven methods to fix Escape from Tarkov not launching or crashing on PC. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment if you need help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.